Hey there cubers, it's Belgian Speedcuber here, and in this video I have an exciting unboxing from Eurocubes. Yeah, I'm really excited to do this one, and I hope you guys are too. Oh, wait a minute. R2. Roll the intro.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Okay, so what I got is the rs3M, but the Maglev edition. Yeah, I'm super excited for this one. The GAN 330 keychain cube, really cool. And the, yeah, sorry for the pronunciation, Wuxia magnetic QiYi cube. Let's check this one out first. Okay, so this looks like quite a premium 2x2 cube. It's also magnetic, as I can feel. So first turns. Corner cutting. Doesn't do over 45, but it could be the tensions. It's a bit tight for me. Reverse corner cutting does do very well. That's the limit. Yeah, I'm also noticing this one is a tiny bit smaller than a standard. I don't know, let's check. I have a QiYi MS right here. Let's see. Nope. It's a bit. The QiYi MS is a bit bigger, in my opinion. But I'm going to show you the specs here. And yeah, as to the flow of the cube, I noticed a few catches, but it could be my turning style. I'm not really used to solving 2x2, but in my opinion the QiYi MS flows better. Less catches, I have less catches, but let's check. Yeah, this one is a bit looser than this one. So let's see for a quick solve. Oh man. Well, that wasn't all too bad. I tend to like the QiYi MS better because it flows better. Also because this one is stickerless. One thing I need to say about this one, the magnetic strength isn't that noticeable if you compare it to the QiYi MS. The QiYi MS has a slightly bigger pull to it. And like I said, the QiYi MS has less catches than this one. Although it might be just my turning style. Overall, I'm guessing this is quite a nice cube for its price. I'm messing up here, but hey. Okay, let's check the other cubes. Next up is the GAN keychain cube. This looks very cool. Let's open it up. So in the packaging you have quite a cool keychain, which you can link to the cube itself. Where is it? Like this. And then you have a little keychain. It's quite cool. I think I'm going to hang it on my backpack or something. I'm guessing if you put it in your pockets with your keys, it will scratch easily, and I'm guessing it will break easy as well, but I'm going to put it on my backpack, which is going to be less scratched, I hope. First turns. Yeah. Oh man, this is tiny. But hey, for a keychain cube, this turns very easily. What more can you say about a keychain cube? Would I recommend using it in a competition? Definitely not. I don't even know if this is competition legal or not. Leave it in the comments below if this is competition legal. I don't know. Let's check. Corner cutting. I was being optimistic here. Yeah. Almost 45. And then reverse. It does do well. Reverse does better than... Oh no, that's the limit also. Let's see if we can check internals on this, but I don't want to break it, so yeah, it's quite tight. I'm going to leave it as is. Let's check underneath the center cap. Yeah, it's just a normal screw and spring. It's not a Maglev version yet. But hey, yeah, cool cube. And now the moment we've all been waiting for, or I've been waiting for. I'm going to speak for myself. So we have the standard accessories box, which comes with, yeah, every MoYu cube nowadays. And then you have the cube with a neat cube stand. I have a bunch of these, but I like the cutout logo on these, so yeah, quite cool. Quick look at the accessories box. So you have the standard pamphlets, and even the pamphlet which explains the cube stand, but not this one, another cube stand with the more premium cubes. And then a standard pamphlet. Screwdriver, and the accessories for the spring compression system, and an extra piece for the spring compression system as well. Cool. Let's get into the cube. I'm really excited about this. I'm also going to put the specs of this cube on the screen somewhere. Okay, the moment of truth. It is a matte. It has a matte finish. Yeah, let's turn it. First turns. It's a bit loose for my liking, so I'm going to have to adjust tensions. I'm going to have to adjust the spring oh wait, spring compression. This isn't spring compression, this is a maglev. So the thing with maglev is you now have a screw and two magnets who repel each other. I'm also checking the tensions a bit, and it isn't quite even tensioned, so I might have to evenly tension this. But for now, out of the box, it seems super fast, like the WRMs or the rs3Ms 2020. I don't know what names they all have. So I'll definitely have to put in some loop to slow it down. And yeah, mess with the tensions a bit. It is too fast for me, like I said. Plus it's super loud. One thing I was super excited about the Maglev system is that the cube isn't going to have spring noise, which is a plus. But for now, I don't really see much more benefits. I'm guessing the cube will glide better, which results now in a very fast cube. Corner cutting, I'm guessing this will be yeah, effortless, like all the other standard rs3M and WRM. Reverse, yeah, that's the limit, but hey, yeah, that's all right though. The contrasting colors, yeah, standard half bright scheme, which I very much like. Yeah, you can't really go wrong with buying this cube. It has elasticity settings like in the other rs3Ms and WRMs, so you can't go wrong with this one. But the only thing you can't change are the magnets, and I'm feeling the magnets, but it isn't quite strong. They are more on the weak side. Okay, and here you see like what the mechanism is going to be. So you see the screw and the two repelling magnets instead of the spring. So yeah, really neat and innovative design. Okay, so one thing I said about it being too fast, I didn't lube it yet, but I put the spring, I was going to say spring compression again, but how do you say this? Is it, I'm going to say the Maglev compression system on 2 clicks, and I must say it already flows much better. It is still quite loud though, but with 2 clicks on the compression, I already like the cube much better. And yeah, the corner cutting isn't quite affected. So yeah. Hey there, Belgian Speedcuber from the future here. I must say, I've been solving on this cube for a while, and yeah, if you already have the rs3M 2020 version, the only thing that's really different is the Maglev system. Other than that, it's completely the same cube. So if you're curious about the innovation, the Maglev system, yeah, surely buy it. But other than that, there's nothing more different about this cube. Okay, on with the video. One thing I'm about to say on this cube, I don't really like it out of the box. It is too fast, and I won't really recommend it if you're a beginner speedcuber. Why? Because if you're a beginner speedcuber, you won't be messing around with the tensions or don't have any access to lube and so on and so on. But if you're really into speedcubing, yeah, this is eventually, with some work and some tensioning and some lubing, quite a nice cube, up to standards with the normal speed cubes. But like I said, it needs a lot of work, or it's going to need a lot of work out of the box, so I won't recommend this to beginner speed cubers. Okay, this was it for the unboxing. I hope you liked it. If you do, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. If you want to purchase any of these cubes shown, I'll put a link in the description where you can buy them. You can buy them at Eurocubes. You can help support this channel by using the discount code BSP5, which gives you 5% off all your orders. And yeah, like I said, it helps me buy these cubes, review them. Thank you guys for watching. Belgian Speedcuber out.